Wireless connectivity is one of the fastest growing telecommunications technologies. Countries across the world are battling to satisfy demand for broadband, and in many places, especially where traditional networks are either outdated or non-existent, wireless is proving to be the answer. Total Telecom TV is here at APC Solutions talking to the company's Group Sales Director David Bell about the company's expansion into North America and the Middle East and why wireless is very much at the heart of its expansion programme. Dave, so why is wireless connectivity so important and so successful at the moment?
Wireless has become amazingly successful, not only here in the UK but certainly throughout the world, and the reason is demand. Technology is driving wireless to be the forefront of connectivity.
What are the advantages of it?
Advantages are it can be very quickly deployed. We have customers that phone us up at a drop of a hat and say we have a disaster recovery issue, and we can be there and react to that situation pretty much immediately, be there tomorrow and have connection installed and up and running. Unlike typical cable connections, that has to be routed, maybe digs have to be done. We can't get cables across water very easily, but we can send a wireless signal through the air very simply.
And I think this has been very much at the heart of your own company's expansion.
It has indeed, yeah. We have seen wireless really drive our business forwards, not only here, as I say, in the UK, but further afield. In Africa, the need for connectivity is becoming a great demand, and the infrastructure there in the ground is very poor.
Yes, and tell us about some of the applications. I know you have some pretty well-known brands among the portfolio.
We have some fantastic brands, some great clients all around the world, ranging from large distribution and logistics companies through to big names like Chrysler, Caterpillar, to famous South African wine farms, and then bringing it much closer to home, large retail outlets such as Poundland and the famous Harrods Group at Knightsbridge.
Fantastic. Well, they don't get much bigger names than that. What are some of your plans for the next 2 or 3 years, going forward?
Our plans going forward are to certainly work with partners and develop further the technology with manufacturers, the top leading manufacturers. We see the demand for bandwidth becoming greater, the requirement for wireless becoming more of a need, because communication's where it all is.
Okay, Dave, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you, Brian.